Hi, I'm Matt and this is Jazz and we live in the beautiful sunny Nelson.
Join us on our complete spa installation journey, from the first plans to the final soak.
We'll share the key decisions we made, a few surprises along the way and exactly how we brought it all to life.
Thanks Future Matt and Jazz. We're now 2 months in the past. We're really excited because we've just purchased the Vortex Nitro from Spa World. And we're trying to decide whether we put it on the deck over here or down the bottom down here.
So there's a lot of things to consider: privacy, electrics, and we've got 3 little kids, so we have to consider a lot of splashes as well.
So we're at the very start of the process and we thought we'd take you, the viewers, with us on this journey.
All right, so here we are, option 1, we're on top of this deck. We've just used a really cool tool that Spa World has. It's called the Augmented reality tool. So you can virtually check out the Vortex Nitro in situ and see kind of what it looks like. What do we reckon?
There's a few things to consider, like the weather. There's not a ton of wind coming through, which I think it makes this space really cozy, and I would love the idea of just sitting here in a spa and just relaxing.
Because we've got a cover lifter coming on our spa, which just makes taking the cover on and off like so much easier. You do need about 500 mils each side of the spa. So that means the spa would have to be pushed out to about here. So like Jess said, we have to push out the deck. And plus we also lose our deck.
But it's going to be so cozy here, so it's really hard decision to make at this point.
Yeah, I'm all in favour of open sky so I can see the stars.
Yeah.
So let's take a look at option 2, which is down there.
So welcome to option 2 on the ground floor. One of the biggest reasons why we are a little bit going towards this way is because of the splash factor. With 3 little kiddies, we don't actually have to worry about telling them to stop splashing at any point if it's down on the ground, and they can just have endless fun, which is kind of a big draw card for us.
And again, I've used the AR tool just to see what it looks like down here. So we would lose a little bit of lawn.
Another thing that we do have to keep in mind is that the washing line is right here, and we do not want to be looking out to this.
Yep.
So what do you reckon about moving that to the front of the house as
Yep,
well?
that's a great point. Because the last thing you want to do is sit in a spa and look out, and the first thing you see is work.
Yeah,
I think washing is work anyway, so either way, whatever option we choose, we'll shift this. So yeah, we've got a little bit of thinking to do, don't we?
Yeah.
2 days later. All right, it's a few days later and we've decided. You want to tell the viewers we've decided, Jazz?
All right, we have decided that we're gonna go with the ground. The splash factor for us was just too intense. So we decided that we're gonna go with the splashless worries and let our kids enjoy their life, and also for us as parents, we can just relax.
Thanks for watching. In the next episode, we get stuck into clearing the space, trimming trees, prepping the area, and getting ready for the real work to begin.